Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding Tutorial, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Picsart photo and video editor that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So if you notice, I have already opened my Google Play Store, and in here I will search in Picsart. Alright, here it is, Picsart photo and video editor. And before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So all-in-one editor, as you can see, these are the things that you can do with this application: edit and design videos, swap backgrounds, create collages, exclusive filters, find a signature font, recreate edits with replay, remove objects. You can also do this, and so on. Alright, let's go back and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that Picsart photo editor and video editor can bring your creativity to life, make professional level collages, design and add stickers, quickly remove and swap backgrounds. You can try the popular edits like the golden R, mirror selfies, and retro VHS or Y2K filters. Picsart is your go-to all-in-one editor and collage maker with all the tools you need to give your content a personal flair and make it stand out. Picsart features include, for the photo editor, you can try trending filters for pictures and popular photo effects. You can use background eraser to erase and replace background, clean up pics and remove unwanted objects. You can add text to photos with 200 plus designs, retouch selfies with hair color change, blur backgrounds with AI-powered, quickly clip and crop photos, add stickers to your pictures and create your own stickers. You can also use millions of curated free images or edit your own pictures. And for video editor, you can create and edit videos with easy-to-use video editor with music. You can take your IG stories, TikToks, and Reels to the next level. Add music to your videos using extensive video editor music library. You can crop video clips. You can also try glitch video effects and other trendy filters, trim videos or use smart video merger, design using the slideshow maker, and you can also add your best moments to a video collage. You can discover over 60 million plus Picsart stickers, outline selfies with popular sketch effects, drawing tools. With Picsart, you can draw with customizable brushes, layers, and pro drawing tools, and so on. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, so this is the interface, and as you can see, you may see the sign up button. So if you want to register for daily feed and inspirational content, then you may sign up. I will skip that part, and let's just use this predefined template in here. And okay, let's just try this one. Okay, it's going to, all right, this one's good, so let's just try it. Okay, it's downloading, and we'll select a photo. So in this example, I'm just going to use Jackie Chan's photo. Okay, so it's going to look like this. Okay, you may select the filters that you want to apply for your photo. So there, the effects will be applied right away. So FX, let me just go back, and I want to use just a single photo. Let's say this one. Okay, and let's try this one here, BRL. So it's going to download, and it's going to take for a while depending on your internet speed. Okay, BMW or black and white, film, there, glitch. Alright, glitch is good. So if you notice, some of the effects needs to be downloaded first. You just have to tap it like that, and it will download the necessary files for you. But I prefer glitch, so I'm going to select the glitch and hit next. I'm just going to skip this part and use the glitch effect. Okay, this one, and tap the check mark here at the top right portion to apply the glitch effect. There. So step 3 of 4 effects. and right now it's step 4. You may apply something like this: brightness, contrast, so saturation. It's up to you. You may play with these settings, but I'm going to skip that part, so I'm just going to tap the check mark here at the top right portion, and here it is. So this is the filters that I have chosen. If you notice, you have these options here below. Gold is actually a subscription. If you're using the free version, you won't see this gold here. So tools is where you can use the crop, pre-crop, shape crop, dispersion, clone, remove objects, sketch, motion. So these are the things that you can do. You can use the perspective, adjust, enhance, time shift. It's up to you. So there, you may play with the settings like that. It's really easy to use. And then tap the check mark here at the top right portion. So again, the tools, these are the tools that you can use. You can rotate, resize, and there's a lot of tools that you can use. And if you don't want the effects, then just undo it. Here at the top right portion, there's a tool to undo the effects added. So effects is where you can see the effects options. So there's really a lot. If you notice, you just have to scroll it horizontally and look for the filter that you want to use. You may use the blur, sketch. If you want something like this one here, then you may use this. I will skip that part because I like the glitch effect. And retouch is where you can retouch your face there. You may adjust there if you want to make your face bigger or smaller. It's up to you. You just have to select the amount of adjustments that you can apply to your photo. So nose, lips, you can increase or decrease. Eyebrows, you may also add that, but since I'm using the glitch effect, you won't see the changes being applied. Alright, so let me just skip this part here. Discard changes, yes. And wrinkle, smooth, eye bags, face. These are the things that you can do with your photo. You may use the skin tone, but if you have filters like mine, so it's not going to be added. It's not, you won't see the changes being applied because I'm using the glitch filter, and this will prevent this added filter to be recognized. So you may use the default photo you have and use these tools below. So there's a lot. Red eye, you may remove the red eye, reshape, and so on. Alright, so let's next is the remove BG or remove background. This is only applicable if you have a background that you want to remove. There, it's actually being applied, but I prefer the white background, so I'm going to discard it. So stickers, you can also add stickers. These are the stickers that you can use. Okay, there's a lot. You just have to scroll down and look for the filters that you want to add. If you want to, you may also use the tabs in here. There, art, so there's really a lot. Frames, emoji, text, slide, and so on. Next is a cut out. Okay, tap an icon to cut portrait automatically. Alright, I will skip this part. And also replay is where you can see all the predefined templates that you may use there. These are just the samples, and if you want to, you can just select a filter, a predefined template that you want to use your photos or videos. So I'm just going to skip that part. Text is where you can add text. There, just have to type something. It's up to you. Add photo, you can add more photos, just like this, and add there. You may drag and drop it anywhere you want, but I'm going to close it. I'm going to discard these changes right there. And next is fit. There, if you want to fit your photos to the screen resolution you have. Brushes, there you can use brushes and it will add some effects to your photos. I will skip that part. Discard. And border, there you may add borders if you want to. Mask and drawing, lens, shape, and so on. So there's really a lot of things that you can do with this application. So I highly recommend that you play with it, play with the settings, play with the tools that you have in here. But let's just say that I'm done with the editing and I'm good with this. So I'm just going to tap here the download button at the top portion. There's one, and if you notice, it is now saved to my gallery. So you also have more options here popping up. Save as JPEG, PNG, or PDF. So this is for gold subscription. I prefer saving it as JPEG. So I'm going to select the JPEG, and the dimension, you may adjust the quality if you want to. Okay, so I prefer 100% for the quality, and the dimensions you may also decrease or increase it. It's up to you. So let's say 800 there. If you want to, you can. Okay, so this is unclickable. So the width and height is going to be the same. So if you change the height, the width will also change. So alright, so it's connected. And then save. Okay, save to your photo gallery. It's now saved to my photo gallery. So that's how easy it is to use this application. And there's really a lot of tools that you can use depending on your needs. So I'm just going to exit, replay, and go back to the dashboard. So these are the predefined templates. Again, you may use this whenever you like. Okay, you may try it first and then see the changes there. It's going to be like that. All right, and then in here you may see the similar effects. This one here is, let's look for, you may also use the search here. Let's say sketch. Let's try sketch if they have. All right, they have. This looks good. Let's try this one and see the effects. Okay, that's the original photo, and the sketch being applied there, and it looks really awesome. Okay, so you may see the things that has been added. So original, then crop, sketch 1, undead, black and white, and IC4. So those are the effects being applied. Okay, this one also looks good, cool. This one, let's try this remix. Okay, it's going to animate your photos. Okay, that's one's good as well. So let's look for this one. Let's try this. So the original photo, and then crop, and dead, and sketch 1. All right, let's try this one. I am interested to apply this photo of Jackie Chan. All right, and let's crop. Okay, just like that. I don't want to crop it, so I'm just going to. Okay, the undead there. That's the undead being applied. Next is the sketch 1. Alright, it's going to look awesome there. And there you have it. So you just have to follow the instructions provided to you, and you will have the effects being added, and then you can upload it to Picsart, or you may post it to your social media platform. So you may also skip it, so there, or you can just save it to your phone. I'm not going to do that. I'm just okay, this one's undead. Okay, this one's look cool. So if you're good with that, then just hit the check mark at the top and then download or save it to your phone. Then more options below. You may post it to your Pinterest, Facebook, and then other social media platforms. It's up to you. I'm going to skip that part, as I'm not going to upload it to any social media. So that's how you use this application. It's really easy to use, and it's really handy. You want to edit your photos, videos, you want to add filters, you want to retouch, you add some retouching filters, trendy. You can also use the background eraser. There's really a lot of things that you can do with this application. So what I have shown you earlier is just an example of what you can do with this app. But so here at the bottom is where you can see the homepage dashboard. This is the discover. All right, so from the creators, you may also check their work. There's a lot. You may follow them if you want to. This one here, the plus icon, is where you can create your own. You may add collage like this, or frames, drawings, so backgrounds. It's up to you. So I'm going to skip this part, and this one here is the challenges. So there, you may read more if you want to. This one here is if you want to create an account with Picsart. I'm going to skip this part, as I'm not going to create an account. So dashboard, again, this is the homepage dashboard, and then just scroll down, and there's really a lot of filters that you can apply. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have learned something. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.